We begin with one introductory exercise, which is called IAO. It's a well-known eurythmy therapy exercise to start with, which addresses our centeredness, our uprightness, which expresses or addresses our living between left and right, the tension we are in, and which addresses our capacity to form something out of it and put our love into it. Just start at yourself. Feel your chest, your breath, the quality of your heart. Slowly go from there through your body downwards. Feel down into the floor, into the earth. And experience, I only have to stay with myself, that countercurrents come about, which make me upright, which carry me. Feel into your right side and follow it a little bit. Feel into your left side. You can do it the other way around too. Follow it and feel the tension between those two polar force systems, spaces. Use your centeredness and make this round gesture encompassing what's in front of you, sending love into it, and feel the space behind, the mirror picture behind. Slowly let your arms sink, but keep the energy. Put your feet back. Let your breath react. You can make a little step forward or repeat it at the same place where you stand. Connect with the earth. Uprightness comes about. Say yes to left and right. Create. Feel yourself, your breath, the energy. Let go. Keep the energy. Let your breath react.